Giant snowstorm, February 2010. February what, 10th, I think it is. It's been snowing since last night. And I've already shoveled once today, but obviously it didn't do much good, so I'll walk around and show you what's going on. It's a winter wonderland. So Mike brought over the cat from the work job site to do it. I've already shoveled once today, and you can see how much snow there is here by the mailbox. Front of the house. Snowman we made earlier.
This is insane.
Crazy. Deep it is. Everything is white.
We are definitely going to Florida next month.
Uh-huh.
And I'm sure the snow will still be here.
Right. And look at the size of that pile. I mean, this is ground level. And there's plants here in the spring and summer. Look how much snow there is there. Let's see who's out and about. Nice. Let's go see what Mike's doing over here. Hey Mike, we're gonna watch this in the summer.
Hey Doc, it ain't stopping.
It's never gonna stop.
Unbelievable. If this is going down in the archives for your kids and the grandkids.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is a 100-year storm. I've never seen anything like it in me life.
You'll see it again. Crazy. All right, there goes my battery.